Hey guys, welcome to the Camping Zone. We review the best camping products to make sure that your trips are epic. In this video we're going to be checking out the best camping stoves you can buy today. We have spent hours researching camping stoves and are bringing you the top 5. These stoves are listed in order based on performance, quality and price, and there is an option for every type of camper. So, if you're looking for the best camping stoves, we'll have the product for you. We've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which are in your budget range. Now let's get on with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Gas One GS1000 gas stove. The Gas One is a great budget-friendly buy that's versatile and lightweight. This single-burner camp stove will hold a tea kettle or cook a big one-pot dinner. It has an automatic starter with a safety shutoff and a fuel cartridge injection safety feature. Offering 7,650 BTUs and weighing in at just under 2 pounds. This compact backpacking stove is a great choice for hikers in need of a lightweight model they can easily haul around all day long. While it lacks wind control and doesn't exactly boil water the fastest, it does feature impressive simmering control. Whether you're trying to fry up some eggs or slow simmer some soup, this stove has got you covered. Once you're through with cooking for the day, you can also easily remove the drip pan for easy and fast cleanup. We liked. It's lightweight and compact, so it's great for backpacking. A great budget-friendly buy. Low maintenance. It's super easy to use. And it can be set up or taken down in seconds. The following could be improved. It doesn't boil water very quickly. It can only accommodate up to 3 people maximum. And there are no built-in windscreens, which can make cooking on windy days very challenging. All in all, its efficiency and lightweight design more than make up for cooking speed and smaller flame size. In our opinion, the Gas One is a great budget buy. At number 4, is the Coleman Gas Camping Stove. This Coleman Classic is a simple, functional stove available at a very reasonable price. It didn't blow us away in any one category, but it did perform steadily and predictably, an essential trait for any piece of camping gear. Despite getting tossed in and out of our cars repeatedly, it continued to work perfectly. It boils water fast, blocks the wind, and simmers sauces admirably. On top of that, it's simple to set up, lightweight, and packs down to a compact size. We also love the adjustable windscreens, which allow you to widen the cooking surface a bit to accommodate a larger pan. On a single 16-ounce tank of propane, this stove can cook with both burners on high for roughly an hour. The Coleman does not have a piezo igniter, so you'll need to bring a lighter. What we liked. Fuel is less expensive. Very good flame control. Good for emergency preparedness. Works well in extreme environments. The following could be improved. Takes additional effort to get started as there is no automatic ignition. Cooking area is smaller than competition. All in all, this is a great no-frills option for the budget shopper. The 3rd product on our list is the Solo Stove Campfire. The Solo Stove Campfire is a top-rated portable wood stove. It's Solo Stove's largest camp stove and is designed to cook for 4 or more people at one time. It's extremely portable as it only weighs 2.2 pounds and is compact, making it a solid cooking solution for your next camping trip. The Solo Stove Campfire produces a hotter fire and less smoke using a unique airflow system. A hotter burn means less ash, and you can easily clean out anything that happens to be left by tilting the fire pit upside down and giving it a little shake. While it doesn't take propane like your typical camping stove, you'll have fun collecting sticks, twigs, and pine cones to start the fire. If you're looking for a smaller camping stove, Solo Stove has you covered with the Titan and Light. Both of these have the same design as the Campfire but surprisingly weigh significantly less. What we liked. Lightweight design. Cooks for 4+ people. It has low smoke for a fire. The following could be improved. Only burns small pieces of wood or twigs. too small to use as a fire pit. We love the Solo Stove Bonfire fire pit and how it lets us have a fire anywhere. It really makes your camping trip feel authentic. In at number 2 on the list is the Camp Chef Explorer. This 2-burner stove is an excellent choice for group car camping trips or fixing up meals outdoors in emergencies. It is a standalone camping stove with a large cooktop space, powerful burners, and built of solid construction. Although it isn't as portable as other models, this camping stove has the cooking space to make enough food for your entire group. You'll get 60,000 BTUs of heat to make it easy to cook whatever meal you want. Whether you are experienced with standalone stoves or not, the first thing you will notice is how easy it is to set up. This is a massive plus point in my book. You can have the stove out of the car and cook some food in minutes. The large, 36-pound frame means this won't be a stove you'll be taking on hikes. During our testing, this camp stove was surprisingly stable, and you can easily take the legs off and use the stove on top of a picnic table. The Camp Chef Explorer 2-burner stove does require assembling. The propane hose, main burner unit, windscreen, and legs all need to be assembled. A wrench is included in the pack, so no need to dig out the toolbox as this tool does it all. Each burner has its own windscreen to help shield the flame from winds. This does not mean you can set it up in gale force conditions, but it does provide adequate cover under most conditions. We liked. 2 cast aluminium 30,000 BTU burners gives you plenty of cooking power. 3-sided windshield to help protect the flame from wind. Easily removable, adjustable legs for mobility or adjusting to uneven ground. Quick to set up and get started straight out of the box. Robust and durable design with excellent build quality. It's great value for money. The following could be improved. No auto ignition system, so you will need to bring a lighter. Cannot operate 16 ounces propane tanks. Not safe to use under any roof constructions. The Camp Chef Explorer is a great fit for anyone cooking for larger groups on a regular basis, and will last you for years. The best camping stove on our list is the Jetboil Genesis Base Camp Backpacking and Camping Stove. Jetboil reigns supreme when it comes to compact and efficient stoves for backpackers. And now they decided to jump into the 2-burner stove market in a revolutionary way. Until now, camp stoves have either been ultralight single-burner units that work best for boiling water, or dual-burner briefcase-style setups that cook like an at-home gas range but are only useful for car camping and tailgating. With a unique design that prioritizes low packed weight and precise heat output, the Genesis combines the portability of a backpacking stove with 2 full-sized burners. It practically begs you to start cooking. The Genesis stove stands out for its unique clamshell form. It is designed to be compatible with all Jetboil's cooking accessories. Further adding to its utility, it can be tethered to a small satellite burner, which can then be used for low-volume tasks like heating water for that precious cup of morning coffee. The design impetus behind the Genesis was to create a powerful stove system which packed into a compact bundle for easy transport. To achieve that end, the burners were designed in tandem with the cooking pots to fit snugly together. With the typical double burner, there is a lot of wasted space within the stove with no accommodations for cooking pots or anything else. When the Genesis base camp is all neatly tucked away in the padded carrying case, there isn't any unused space within. What we liked. Its portability. You won't find a better 2-burner camp stove that's as portable as the Genesis. Its heat adjustability. With a little bit of tinkering you can find the perfect heat for a variety of dishes, unlike many other camping stoves that only offer high or low settings. It is easy to clean. The grates are easy to remove, which make it really easy to clean. The following could be improved. The windscreen. Whilst the design is great for portability, it does very little to block the wind, making the stove unusable in extreme weather. It is a dense and space-efficient stove that performs beautifully. You won't be disappointed with the Jetboil Genesis. Thanks for watching. That's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next video.